right, good morning, and today is Wednesday, August 16, 2023, and we are in the third trading of this week. And 2 p.m. today, we will have a FOMC release. Minutes release, so that's the so-called impact news today, and we are going to monitor how the price action is unfolding. So, but a couple of things we want to go over real quick before the market start in another 7 minutes. So we see that on Monday both candle at 9 and 13 up close, but on Tuesday, both candle down close. So something going on. It's a big sell-off on Tuesday, and it dropped around 1.16% right there. So the question for us is, today is Wednesday, right? If today is a week low, Wednesday low is a week low, or it can continue to go low. So that's the scenario we want to got. Okay, so we want to see where the price right now, where it come from, and what it's likely to draw on. And we take a look at the news. We saw it's still a lot of buy-side liquidities out there, so it may continue to go down. And we saw the London low, which is sell-side liquidity, were taken in the pre-market, and also we see the prior day low were taken. So this is the condition for go long. However, we have to be careful, because in order to go long, we all go again the short-term direction right now. The short-term direction right now is bearish, so I'm going there. Take a look at the monthly. So for the monthly, you see right there, the August, here's July. You see that the August is start, moving down to the open of July. So that's, as soon as it moving close there, then it's good time to go in and short them right there. And also look at the weekly. So we see, so the last 2 weeks is down close, and let's see how this week play out. Right, so far you see that this week's below the new week open gap. You see it open above and reject, go down, so it's also a bearish signal right there. Where is my 4-hour time frame? But you look at the 4-hour time frame, the scenario we come up yesterday, it's gonna pull up there, but actually it's not. So it looked like it may reverse, so it continued to take the sell-side liquidity. So that this could trick that order blocks. As soon as if stay above the order block, we are bullish for today. But if it's breaking down, then we're bearish. Right there. Okay. That's it for now. Let's watch. So, as same as yesterday, today I will mostly go in the silent mode because I have other things going on. I will jump in as much as I can. But after next week, I will go back to normal. For this week, I have something going on, so I not comment much in the real time. So to let you know. So the FOMC minute can release at 2 p.m. today. So we are actively watching to see how it's unfolding. It's not really a high impact news, but it might. All right, market gets started. Let's see. Okay, so the very first candle it go up right there. So if we want to go long, it's a perfect go long because you see that the buy sell allocate were taken right there. So let's see, it's break through this bearish breaker, both of them right here. We want to see how the price react to this error. This is a key level right here. Okay, we can see right here the auto block, fair value gap, and this is the retest. We missed opportunity right here if we want to go long right there. But also we have short trade up, right? Bearish breaker, fair value gap, and retest. However, it's break through this breaker. Let's see. So should we go in now or let it clear sell allocate one more time? So we see the buy allocate were taken right there. So maybe we not going long right now, because if you look at the 5 minutes, you still have a short setup play now right now, right? You see the bearish breaker right here, right? And then the breaker, and then the down take one. So let's see if it stay above this level, then we're going. Yeah, we see it go up right there. I think we can go in. Take a long trade right here. Yes, let's go long right here. The setup we have is auto block, right? Auto block right here, follow up, and then retest right there. And also we see this is the buy sell liquidity was trapped right there, so that is good. We set up first here. $36. The target is just right here. For we can trail them if we want to go up right here, but at least for sure it's gonna go up here, so we can always have a free trade. Move to break even, be good right there. So right now we just put the targets is I think will be the buy sell liquidity on the H4. Our stop loss gonna be right here at this pullback right there. Wow. See, it checked this buy sell liquidity right there. Man, amazing right there. See that? Because this level, it checked this sell liquidity, and then now we have to check the buy sell liquidity right there. So if we go in right here, we are in good shape right now. We can move it to the break even. We have a free trade right there, and let it run. I think it will run. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that it's gonna check. At least it's gonna take that liquidity. You see, so we believe that it's gonna take out this, and we believe this is an order block. As long as above this level, then we'll go long right there. 442.15 right there, and we go long, and we believe we're gonna check this liquidity. So if we go in exactly right here, it look a little bit uncomfortable, right? It pulled out. You feel, wow, maybe, you know, this berry breaker is it hold, right? But actually it's a good time for it to go in. Let's see how much will we go in on this candle, right? How much we reach right here. Let's say we reach right here 26 cents. And then how much we gain? It will exactly right here. Wow, we got 1 to 2 risk. We're also right there. If you want to take the profit right here, or you want to let it run, but you have 1 to 2 risk ratio right there. I mean, if you look at the way it move up right there, I believe that it's gonna be it have a lot of move to go, because for last 2 weeks or last 10 trading day is kicking down. That means a lot of buy side liquidity can build up or trap up there, and we're gonna seek the sell side liquidity, I mean buy side liquidity. So we can move the stop loss to break even. Then we good to go for now. Let's see how we're gonna run. So we are into first 15 minutes of this trading day today, and we see that our first 15 minutes is up right there. I mean, if you look at the smart money diversion, it gives you some clue right here. So you see that at 9:30, 9:15, this guy make a lower low, but this guy make a higher low. So that can give you a signal that, you know, for now, this one is the bottom. We're gonna go up and grab the buy side liquidity right there. $8.50, $8.30. I mean 9:30. What I mean. I think we reached our target. We can get our trade now. You know why? Because we look at a 4-hour time frame. We reached our target. You see, our target is the buy side liquidity from the 4-hour time. This order block. So we can get our trade now if we want to. So our target is reached at 9:48. Beautiful trade. Let's check screenshot that. So here's our note for that trade. Beautiful trade there. And let's see what is our risk reward ratio. I think we reached about 26 cents. Right, we go in here. Let's say we go from here. That's candle, right? And we, let's say 35 cents right there. And then our first target around here, and then the target right here. $1.38. That's right there. It reached our target, weekly target also, because we just want to make $1 every week, and then we can scale up. That's an idea. Okay, so it's 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. Rather beautiful. So right here we had the risk reward 1-to-4. Very beautiful trade. And we go in at here 48. So about 30 minutes. 30 minutes you make, you know, $1.38 right there. Not bad at all. So only take 30 minutes and we make $1.38. And if you scale it up, it will be $138, or you scale up one more, it will be 1,000, scale up more, it will be 10,000, so on and so forth. We don't miss much at all. It may go back, retest this. Okay, if we see the buy side liquidity drop right here, when it moves here, then it gives us more confidence to go in a little bit earlier here, so we can get better deal right here on 32. Wow, you can look at this is a swing high, which is a breaker right there. Breaker, follow gap, retest the breaker right there. Man, yeah, I think that's the setup that we should see. Much better than the auto block right here, right here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Give a very good, ratio, better ratio. So if you want to go long, you can go here also, because the idea is that here is the bullish breaker followed up and it to the retest. And look, we're going to go into the time window that we are watching. A start 10. I think we could go in. You know why? Because they here, they do the buy sell liquidity trap. So drop, but we better for us to wait until it take the sell liquidity, right? Which is right here. Wow. let's say we want to go long. Can we go in from here? I mean, it look very bearish on the 5 minutes. You see, it really come down hard. But let's see if this hold, if this bullish breaker hold. Oh, it got break. Wow, it got break. It got broke right there. Let's see. Wow, look at the 5 minute time frame. You can see that we had reason to go in early. You see that? It make a low high. That means the buy side liquidity were trapped right there. However, it make a low, which it taken the sell side liquidity. That means right now is imbalance right there. Imbalance. That means more buy side liquidity than the sell side. Then for sure it's gonna go up. Yeah. So that's the reason for we can go up, go in early, right here. At the high 25, we can go in. You see the logic? Or the late, when you go in, you can go here again. If you want to go late, is another buy side liquidity were trapped. That means that at that moment, there are more buy side liquidity than the sell side. Then for sure it's gonna go up. That's how we analyze the liquidity run right there. Liquidity is the key right there. Right, let's take this annotation right here. In order to have balance, this one has to go up here, take the buy side liquidity, then go down, take the sell side liquidity. Right here you see the equal low, that means the sell side liquidity, and then it boom, go down, take the sell side liquidity. then the next logic for you is gonna go up and take this at least this, you know, buy sell liquidity, and it did, and it come back to this area where it's balanced right there. You see the logic? Yeah, let's take a note of this. It's beautiful. So what we have right here? We have right here is the buy sell reward trap, right? And then right here we have a sell side reward taken or rated, if you want to use more stronger, rated right there. Then at this moment, you know, it have to come up because that's unbalanced. It's more buy sell liquidity than the sell side. So at this level, the market is unbalanced, right? The market is imbalanced. Why? Because buy sell liquidity is more than sell side liquidity, because I check the rated sell side liquidity, right? So that now is, therefore it's much going up. And we can go long. Beautiful. See the logic? So our job is just improve our ability to see this in a real time. So can either go in right here, right after it making a lower low, the low of the day for now, and the target is going to be this level for sure. But the reason why you see the explosion, because there's a huge imbalance, right? More buy sell liquidity, then it go up here, it grab the buy sell liquidity, and people exit their position. Okay, they got trapped, right? They got out. That's why it's explosion to the upside right there. Beautiful. However, if you treat this two candle right here, you still good for the long setup, right? When you treat this a bearish bullish breaker, then it's a follow up right here, and this one just a retest, so you can go long way if you want to. So if right here you move your stop loss for the first trade into break even and we decide not to take the profit here, then we still in the trade. Well, to look at we just look at a 5-minute time frame, not 1 minute. The same loss you can see. That's a beautiful right there, right? You see right here is a lower high. That's mean the buy side they go trap right there, and they go all the way to take sell side liquidity. That means that the unbalance right there. If we go, which is around this area, you go back right here. That's where the balance come from. Beautiful. I mean, if we have a deeply understand how the liquidity run, then we good to go. I mean, we see how the algo run, how the algo is cyclically, how the algo run the liquidity, then we good. It leave the signature behind. Our job is just read the signature and figure out, you know, what the next move, what is the next draw on liquidity. We don't even need a bias at all. I mean, right? We just need what is the next target, close next target. Then we can go in. At least we have, you know, free trade there and let it run. Because we always in the money. So we have about 17 minutes until 10:30. 10:30 is critical time according to the DR model, which is where we know, that's when we know the high of the day and the low of the day. When the same idea right here, right? You can see that the buy side was trapped, but it take out all the sell side from here. That means this one gonna imbalance right there. It's gonna go up in order to check the buy side of this two, right? Look at it again. The same logic apply right here, right? This is the low, right? This is the low, and then this guy was way low. Take all the sell side liquidity. However, right here, that the unbalance, you have buy side liquidity was trapped. but you have a sell side liquidity taken. That means it's imbalanced at this moment. So we can go in right here. For sure, our short target is gonna be this level. Exactly, it take out that level, but it's not take out that level yet. So maybe it will go up and take the buy side liquidity right there. So this one we see. So this move is a very certain move for it. We know exactly that it's gonna go in and take this level right there. So what we're looking for, we look for liquidity trap. Because when the liquidity imbalance in this case, right, we have a sell side liquidity take all the way here, but you have a imbalance right here. The condition that's the more the buy side liquidity will trap right there. That's been imbalance. It have to go up. Have to go up at least at this level. So we know this trade is a high probability setup for us. We know that it's gonna go back and take the buy side. The liquidity in order to get balance. And the same logic right here. You look, is buy side liquidity trap, but you see that here is right. You see right here is sell side liquidity were rated, so for sure it's gonna go up. At least it's gonna take the buy side liquidity from here. Wow, you see that? I think we succeeded now. We can read almost in real time. Amazing. See that? It trapped the buy side liquidity. And when it read the sell side liquidity, then it's gonna go. The logic is there, how the algorithm is programmed right there. It's seek liquidity. Sell side and then go to buy side and then buy side go sell side. That's it. Binary, right? Nothing more complicated than that. I mean, we make it complicated, but if we understand the logic behind it, it's simple. The simple way is the best way. That's some wisdom on this statement right there. The best way is simple way, and the simple way is the best way. Everything so look like complex, but behind the scene it's just very simple. It's like computer, right? You can do all things, but behind the scene it's just binary. It just convert to 0 and 1. We cannot more complicated than that. Boom, right there. So if you go in right here, you know, your target is right here by side liquidity, and you got it. The question for you is that, are you going to stay in the trade, move the stop loss to break even, stay in the trade, or gonna be right here, it turn into what? Into, because the buy side liquidity was just taken. That means right now there's imbalance in the sell side liquidity. So they're gonna see sell side right here. And right here you have a setup. You can see this auto block right here. You can treat this whole thing as the auto block, or just this candle as the auto block. And here's just a retest, a short setup. Retest, retest, see that? Just rate the liquidity and then boom, go down. So right now it rate the liquidity, buy side liquidity, then that's imbalance right there. So the next logic phase, you have to go in and rate the liquidity from here. Right, you have to rate the liquidity from here. The sell side liquidity rate from here. However, if some buyer go in and keep push it, then it keep unbalanced. Remember, it does not have to rebalance right away. It can remain in the state of imbalance for a period of time. It could be 1 minute, 2 minutes, hour, right? That's the reason why you saw sometimes it just keep going up. That means they're imbalanced in the sell side liquidity right there, but they keep running up because someone have a big money, have interest to bring it up. That means they observe all the big and just keep bring the price up. No, they observe all the offer, I believe. Offer is you sell, they keep buying. So that means they bring the big up. So the logic for it is gonna be go in and take the sell side liquidity from this guy. However, it can happen when it's so-called failure swing rate, failure swing low. That means someone step in and buy it with a huge order to make it continue to go up, which is remain imbalanced. Well, we have a fair value gap right there. Let's see. Oh, this fair value gap, right? It's fair value gap up, then green, and fair value gap down is the purple. Alright, we're still watching right now. Let's see. So Yeah, this the short setup, right? Let's see how it's play out. So if you short right here, then you expect it's gonna go down and take the sell seller grid from here. But it doesn't make sense, right? We want this because it cannot go here, because if it go here, then there are buy seller grid imbalance right there. Let's see. But this one is lower than this one. That means you still have buy seller grid imbalance up there. But as we point out right there, at level, it take, you see that? It take a sell side. Exactly. See that? Up here. So it sweep both sell seller query and buy seller query right here. So it's sweep both, right? Sweep buy seller query and then it go down sweep sell seller query. So if it go down from here, then the next target gonna be this level. It need this area had to be whole, right? Because it's triggered at a bearish breaker on 5-minute time frame. Right here is 5-minute time frame, and it's our bullish breaker, failure gap, huge failure gap, displacement retest. Let's see, it's whole right here, or gonna be a auto block, failure gap, retest. That's also a bearish. That the opposite is a bearish setup. Let's see how this both play out. So I think this error is very key. Is the imbalance. That's the balance error right there, where both sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity were balanced, and then maybe a new new player come into market to make it unbalanced. Either the buy or sell in order to trigger the next move for the price to move. Basically, you don't want to enter the trade right here because it can go either direction, right? Okay, it checks sell circuit again. All right, I think we're at 10:30 now. It's actually 10:33. 2 more minutes with 35, which is the next candle on the 5 minute right there. So now we have pretty much have the DR model forming right there. You have an implied DR high, implied DR low right there, and this is the mixed range. Can you imagine that? The mixed range is right at this level. Very interesting to see how it's played out with this level. And I want to see how the monthly wow, I think we are in for a short, for bearish now. You see, now the August start break down the open of the July. That's mean a bearish right there. Pretty much you can go short right there. I believe the next target gonna be this one. This buy sell liquidity at, sell side liquidity at 363. If you look at the liquidity perspective, you see this is a failure swing high. It didn't drop the buy sell liquidity from here. However, that means that it will not neutralize the sell side liquidity here. It will not. It remain imbalanced right here. If it not break here, then it just remain imbalanced. It will make a move when that imbalance. That means either take the sell side liquidity here or buy side liquidity here. Otherwise, it remain balanced around here. So just keep in mind that at 2 p.m. We have a FOMC minute release. Anyway, time is up now. Thank you. I surprised that I thought I'm gonna do less audio today at commentary today, but I tried to make it so. Alright, talk to you later in the evening for the end of day review. Bye for now.